Welcome to a better independence with Hyatt Access. In life, there's so much to be grateful for. However, there can be bumps in the road, hardships to overcome, and unexpected challenges. That's where we come in. With the help of Hyatt Access, our manufacturer-certified and certified environmental access technicians are on the leading edge in better evaluating a user's needs to match their abilities, in helping to address the appropriate product, solutions, and modifications. With the warmer months just ahead, the option to take advantage of being outside again can now be yours, with the ability and added peace of mind to come and go as you please. Here with Hyatt Access, it's just one simple fix, and you can stop letting barriers such as stairs impact your mobility and lifestyle. From a threshold ramp to assist with small rise or drop in an entrance or exit area, to portable folding ramps to overcome a few steps, also good for use with autos, specifically vans and SUVs, to drive power mobility devices on and off. With larger areas such as porches and stoops, aluminum modular ramps, permanent concrete, or wood ramps can be a great way to overcome the barrier. Other common forms of assistance to overcome stairs include a straight or curved stair lift, depending on the stair layout. Another common piece of equipment used is a vertical platform lift, which allows for the user to walk onto, roll onto with a manual wheelchair or power mobility device. Take extra precaution by riding up or down with a caretaker as the weight capacity allows for this. At Hyatt Access, we're here for your needs and look forward to addressing the appropriate product, solutions, and modifications.